everyone, thank you for joining me today on Stacy's Country Cooking. I'm going to redo my first cooking video. It was peanut butter fudge, and to me I didn't think it turned out very well, so I want to redo it and see if it gets any better. Hopefully it will and you can understand it better. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy this remake. Okay, to get started, I've got a stick of butter in my heavy kettle. It's a heavy bottom kettle, melted. Then I'm going to add 3 cups of white sugar to it. And then one of these little carnation cans of evaporated milk, perfect size. I didn't mean to spill that. Okay, and then I'll clean up my mess. I've got my burner set on an 8. 10 is the highest. I got it set on 8, so I'm going to bring it to a rolling boil. Okay, it's starting to boil. So I'm gonna turn my timer on 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna turn my oven or my burner down to a 6, and then I'll let it cook here for 5 minutes. Keep stirring. You stir, stir, stir. You don't want it to stick on the bottom. You can make fudge all different ways. I make a maple brown sugar fudge, a white chocolate and vanilla with pecans, chocolate, cookies and cream. There's so many different ways you can make fudge. Okay, when the 5 minutes is up, then you remove from heat. After you remove from heat, you add 2 huge spoonfuls of peanut butter. That's probably about a 1/2 cup of peanut butter. And you stir it. Stir really well until all of the peanut butter gets incorporated. And then you add your marshmallow cream. Add a jar of marshmallow cream to it. get all the marshmallow cream mixed in, then you add a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Mix really well. And I have prepared a 9 by 13 inch pan to pour this in. I just sprayed it with some butter spray. You can use real butter to wipe it, you know, just spread it around. Or I also sometimes use parchment paper. Okay, it's ready to pour in my pan. Just spread it out really good. Then you set it aside and let it cool, and then cut into desired pieces. You want to cut it before it gets really, really cold, because it kind of cracks a little when you don't shake it. And you could also like add some more peanut butter to the top if you wanted to, just for like decoration. Here's my remake of my peanut butter fudge. I hope you try this and enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching today. Have a great day.